I just don't want to be that person who ends up doing things the way other people think your life should be.
Now I realize how grateful I should be, and I am, for having the kind of support system at
But she'd find an excuse to get out of it. And just yesterday we were talking that you do everything better than I do.
जितना इंसान एक बिजनेस करते वक्त अपने आप के बारे में, दुनिया के बारे में समझता है, जानता है.
And if you're an outsider, however successful you are still, like, I know it, you're still fighting every day at whichever place you are, right?
Red FM 93.5, my name is आकृति. और अभी यहाँ जो कॉन्वर्सेशन होने वाली है, इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को करने के बाद मैं I'm going straight to Juhu and I'm meeting that friend of mine who called me around 3 months back and said कि बहन झुमके का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करेगी क्या. एंड आई वॉज लाइक तू पागल हो गई क्या, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है, इतना पैसा लगता है और मेरे पास तो जॉब है, यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन. मतलब आई डोंट नो, बट thank God I was privileged enough to get access to your episodes. Didn't watch all of them, managed to watch a few of them, and it was kind of a moment wherein I felt like कि ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, at least I should sit down with her and speak to her. That's the kind of feeling it generated in me, and you can see that I am feeling emotional while I'm talking
That's
about it.
amazing.
So thank you so much. What a show! What a show!
That's so
beautiful.
sweet. Yeah, that's,
so many emotions. at the same time.
you make us want to do what we do, because this is essentially the effect we want people to have. Because ये एक तो बहनहुड के ऊपर ये पूरा शो है, और also entrepreneurial जो जर्नीज हम लेते हैं, हम एक्चुअली कहीं ना कहीं सेल्फ एवोल्यूशन के लिए लेते हैं. बिकॉज जितना इंसान एक बिजनेस करते वक्त अपने आप के बारे में, दुनिया के बारे में समझता है, जानता है, वो शायद ही कुछ ही और करके जानता होगा.
So true.
क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा संघर्ष होता है अलग अलग अनफोर्सीन चीज़ों से, जिसका आप इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते. So I'm so happy that you saw a few episodes and you felt like that.
Yeah, absolutely. I am meeting her. Like, let me listen at least.
Yeah.
Like that
I
kind
think
of
it's so
feeling.
important to at least
listen.
give it a shot. I mean, at least in your mind. I'm not saying go and do it, but talk about it, discuss it, try and see whether it's something that's actually workable. Why not, right?
Yeah,
There's
absolutely.
no harm.
हमारे देश में ना धंधा करना, अगर मैं बिल्कुल साफ शुद्ध
जी.
हिंदी में बोलूँ तो कहते हैं धंधा करना, बिजनेस करना कभी सिखाते ही नहीं है. नौकरी करो, यू नो, सेफ पैसा लाओ, सेफ घर चलाओ, सेफ जिंदगी रहो.
You're
लेकिन
right.
एक्चुअल मैडनेस, यू नो, मैजिक जो तुम्हें जिंदगी में चाहिए होता है, वो तो सारा लाइन की उस पार ही है.
And that's something you learn on the job.
On the job, and you have
And you
to
learn
be
it
at
yourself.
Yeah, you have to be at it and take those risks. So if I talk to you personally in your life, how was your bachpan like? I mean, in terms of teaching you to take risks, go आगे, or it was also a very household wherein you say कि पढ़ लो, एक job ले लो, you know, like that. How was it while you were growing up with this kind of learnings or not learnings?
I think for me, I've always been a person who believed in taking calculated risks. Like, even as a young girl, I started working when I was in school. But I was always like, I will educate myself. I'll make sure I have my basic education. So for any reason, if it doesn't work out, I always have a backup plan. But having said that, I am innately that person. I'm not taking risk for the sake of taking risk, but I just feel like I just don't want to be that person who ends up doing things the way other people think your life should be. I always wanted to learn from my own experiences.
Now I know.
I was always encouraged, and when I think about it now, I realize how grateful I should be, and I am, for having the kind of support system at home, which was my mom and my dad. My dad is no more, but they always encouraged me to be independent, to think for myself, to decide for myself what I wanted to do, make my own choices. There were never any restrictions placed on me in terms of what I could do as a job and what I couldn't and what I should and what I shouldn't. It was the only thing that they really reinforced was that whatever you choose to do, just finish your basic education first. So if it means, you know, doing a bachelor's, at least do that. My dad really wanted me to do an MBA, but I don't think I was inclined. But it was never forced upon me. Nothing was ever forced upon me. They always said, you need to choose for yourself what you want to do in life. but do finish your education, your basic education first, because that's something you're always going to need wherever you go, and whatever you do, it will be handy for you to have that, you know. But then after that, they were like, please, you know,
Go ahead and take your chances, go fly.
yes, and I realize now how lucky I was to have that, because a lot of people don't, and till date, like I've never had any restrictions put on me. And of course, but I was also a very responsible child, so I think that they knew that it was safe to give me that freedom to do what I wanted to do. Like I wasn't going to take advantage of it. I never did. But I think it's really helped me to grow into a very, very independent. From a very young age, I've been very independent.
Nakul, what do you think from your perspective when it comes to business, entrepreneurship? बंदों को फिर भी थोड़ा सा when you सट्टा लगाने के लिए लोग तैयार होते हैं, you know,
जी
पैसा देने को या थोड़ा सपोर्ट फिर भी मिल जाता है. पर बंदियों की जब बारी आती है, I'm not generalizing, but mostly मोटा why do you think अभी भी when it comes to business with women, हालांकि आ रहे हैं बंदे बहुत सारे, it's still a very scary space?
Actually, it's a very interesting question. While listening to Tamanna and Diana speak, I realized that their lives are actually pretty similar. Both started working early, both got figured there, both are outsiders, just like I am. And now when you draw parallels to the characters, Shika and Anayata, both like doers, fighters.
Yeah.
And if you're an outsider, however successful you are still, like, I know it, you're still fighting every day at whichever place you are, right?
Yeah.
So it's very interesting while I'm listening to them speak that they've lived the life they're kind of playing. Of course, it's an exaggerated, dramatized version, but it's beautiful to see it. And coming to your question, मैं कल actually there was a friend over and her and my wife were talking about the same thing. My wife has been a musician, singer. She used to travel before we had our first child. On the road, traveling across the world, performing. But she would still call me and ask me, अच्छा मुझे वो $10,000 का 10% TDS कितना होगा?
Oh,
या
I get that part.
3,000 का 10% क्या होगा? You know, and she's a phenomenal negotiator. Works with a 10-member male crew. Would play with her. But when it came to numbers, like I would constantly encourage her, come and sit with me in the जो meetings होती है ना हमारे with your wealth office etc. But she'd find an excuse to get out of it. And just yesterday we were talking that you do everything better than I do, right?
Yeah.
You at some point when we got married, she used to make way more money than I did, right? I'm like, why are you not interested in this? And I think sometimes, maybe men are just wired to think because you're conditioned that you have to earn money, which may not be the best thing either, right? Like this pressure of, oh, you have to provide, right? Is not the greatest thing, because I remember I was 20 and I was like, oh, in my head, yaar, mujhe to, I'll have to figure life out now. And I think just like that, women are, I think they're programmed differently, but everything is changing now, you know, and it must change. So you're right, there is some amount of just conditioning, and how much I think in middle class homes, families talk about finances. Yeah, I remember like I talked to my parents that y'all never spoke about finances openly. Like it's always supposed to be like,
such an important point.
बच्चों को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए कि मुश्किल है या अच्छा वक्त है. Kids should be insulated, and I feel I want to change that. Like kids should understand why, like what is money and why is it important, and to develop the spirit of independence and entrepreneurship is extremely crucial. तो चाहे लड़का हो लड़की वो equally होना चाहिए.
बहुत important. I think वहाँ से beginning होती है. The moment you know money, you understand money, you know, you are friends with money.
You're friends with money.
Yeah, the confidence to use it.
And you understand the value of it.
Yeah, most important. Then you know maybe how to take step forward. Otherwise, आपके जो 15-20 हज़ार रुपए आ रहे हैं, आप उसी में घूमते रह जाओगे, and you'll never think beyond it. Not that is less money, but if you want to move up and forward the way your characters have done it in the show. Okay, so let's talk about Behen Chara, Behen Code. What is your peak level of commitment in Behen Code? मतलब, tell me what is the craziest, maddest thing you have done for a Behen Code? करना है तो करना है बस, like that.
Give me a missed call and I'll be there.
Okay, just miss call.
Yeah, so basically like one of my friends went out on a date and she was like, if I give you a missed call from there, means you need to leave and come and pick me.
Okay. In कितनी देर में miss call आया?
Well, it took her a while, but yeah, a missed call is good enough.
Okay, then you were there. मतलब बाहर you were standing.
Yeah.
Okay. So मतलब out of or in your circle, that's your part.
Yeah.
कि जब भी किसी को pick up करना है, then Tamanna is the person, missed call, and she'll be there.
If I'm not on a shoot.
Okay.
if I'm in the country. If I'm not working. If I'm on a set, I can't leave. That would be very strange. They'd be like,
Lot of
guys,
if
I need to
nots."
rescue my friend. Sorry.
Producer ji, मुझे जाना है.
My friend's out on a date. She needs rescue.
Diana, your peak behan code level.
I think I'd like to believe that I've always been there when I needed to be there. You know, the sad part is though it's not. I mean, it's just the way it is. I suppose life happens, but I feel like it's, for me at least, it's more important to be there at the bad times. So I've usually always landed up when I've really been needed to be there. But then at the same time, I've somehow tended to miss some of the good stuff as well because of something or the other. You know, shoot, travel, whatever, and then you tend to kind of relax a bit on those things and be like, oh, I can't make it. So that's something I need to improve on, and I'm very well aware of it. But I will always show up as the rock, like that solid person who, when somebody really needs me, I will be there.
High five. Okay, quick, just I'll throw names. I'll start with your names only. कि अगर बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने की बारी आई तो क्या आएगा, जो दिमाग में आए सबसे पहले. ओके, नकुल, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, अगर डायना को कभी कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहिए तो क्या करना चाहिए?
Fashion.
ओके, और तमन्ना?
Jewelry, I think she should start in a month from now.
मेरे को पार्टनर, मैं मेरी सहेली मेरे को झुमका.
I could be Nostradamus, हाँ, तमन्ना, this comes true.
हाँ.
ये एक महीने में अगर हो गया तो
I
मैं
know.
I could be a
You'll be very famous. हाँ. तुम्हारे पास सब आ जाएंगे अपनी जन्म पर.
आपने बताया था तमन्ना जी शुरू करेंगी.
पता है.
Okay, Diana.
I don't know, he should train new young dads.
Yeah.
He'd be really good at it.
Yeah, I agree. That's a good
That's
idea.
Okay, and for Tamanna?
I also think she should start a jewelry business.
See,
And I think that she should start it in about a month and a half.
Tamanna. I got seed capital. है
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा. Okay. Tamanna, for Diana, what do you think if she should start something? And same for Nakul.
For Diana, I know she wants to do apparel, but I actually think she should do fragrances.
I want to do that also. How
You
do
do?
you know?
देखा बहन.
I didn't know
sister
that, but I just
code.
thought that you
Yeah.
would do fragrances very well.
Apparel and fragrances both.
Yeah.
And for Nakul?
For Nakul, I think he's somebody who could teach very well. I don't know. This is what I feel. Like, you could be a great teacher.
Yeah, actually, I'd love to teach.
See,
Yeah.
teaching young dads.
Teaching, yeah. So I think of course, maybe I don't know if that's the actual profession, but like I feel like he can teach.
It's a huge space actually. An emotionally intelligent
Man.
man, available. Oh my God, there's a long
No,
list.
and
I'll
it's
just
also
go on and
requires
on.
a certain amount of, like certain temperament to be able to teach. Like, you have to have a lot of patience. You have to be a really calm person, and I think he has.
I think he could teach.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I think I have.
I think Diana could also start a cafe. I don't know why.
You're right.
Yeah, like that's the vibe I
would
get.
suit. I'm saying I would sell the best food at that cafe.
Yeah.
नहीं,
I
but
would
ये
make
खा
sure
जाएगी
of
सारा.
it.
If she starts a cafe, she'll finish off all
See,
the
may not be a profitable cafe, but she
Yeah,
will
but
start a cafe.
She can start
As
it.
you
for
can
his
see,
good stuff.
do you want a partner season 2 की scripting यही चालू हो गई है. Now 3 of them will come together with another plan, another season. But right now we are talking about this season, and wish you good luck. I have already seen 2 episodes, and thank you for making me watch, because I'm just gonna take a move personally, and I'm very happy about it. It was a delight chatting with you all. All the best. Chak De Fate, such a feel-good show.
Thank
you
for
so
this
much.
one.
Thank
Good
you.
one,
Thank
nice
you.
one, happy one.
Thank
Acha
you.
wala. Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Red FM
you.
93.5. My name is Akriti. Bajate raho.
बजाते रहो बाबा बजाते रहो
93.5 Red FM.
बजाते रहो